Come on, Luca.
Dad, you come with me.
One by one, guys. One by one.
Wait for him there.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, Luca is going already.
All right.
Alright guys, let me know when to come.
All right.
I'm coming.
Yes, Luca,
Ready?
get off, Luca. Luca, get off.
Ready?
Here we go.
Get off. He's coming,
I'm not
Luca.
riding much. Coming.
I gotta get a foot in the face.
I'm not riding much.
That gets stuck in the slide.
I'm not going stuck there. I was like, trying to go down.
Dad, you are going to ride now?
Are you going that side now? Okay. Go.
Come, boys. Don't rush, Luca. Because pay attention to what you're doing.
This holding me, that cheating.
Okay, if you fall over and you touch the ground, you're not out of the race, but you have to get back up. Yeah? So you continue even if you touch the ground.
Go. Okay, let's do this. Which way should I go? Right, left? Which way?
Keep going, keep going, keep going.
Oh my god, I go this way. Whoa. Which way? This way? Yeah. Oh my god, we made. Yeah. The finish line is there. Oh. Yeah.
What else you have to do, Luca? Keep going.
Oh, I've seen a squirrel.
No, 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 no.
Yummy.
Delicious.
Donut?
Have you had one yet, Luca? No.
Ah! So. Look.
Yeah, I did.
You done? And what about, have you seen what's on that side?
No?
There's like a big trap. What about are we still
Can you
doing,
push a bit, look, love?
are we still doing the Gruffalo?
Look at this. This is cool, man. Wow.
You should come with your bike, look at this is way more for your age. Look, doing all the bumpy bumps.
This is just amazing stuff.
All the pump stuff. You see? Look at this. House, Luca. Do you want to try again?
Uh-huh.
Oh.
Comfy?
Yeah. Nice. You can't climb on the Gruffalo, but you can take a picture with her. She says that she wants to take a picture with you. It says the Gruffalo child loved having her photo taken, which is not a stuff. Okay, let me take a picture. Oh my goodness. What does the snake say? What does it say? Me? Is the Gruffalo gonna eat the snake?
I don't know. Wait. What's that over there?
Not really.
How you think? Yeah.
Dario is running away. Where are you going, Dario? We found owl, guys. Woohoo! Who is that, Luca?
Careful, baby boy.
Yeah, I've seen it. We found a baby. Look.
This is number 10.
It's, yeah.
So we skip.
Uh,
Yeah, this is the one. This is working forest.
yeah. Ooh, relaxing.
Yes.
I'm coming, Luca.
Think you can do it?
Let's go. Can you climb it? Which way?
Yeah, you can do it. You gotta hold on to the string. To that rope. Just hold on to the rope.
Yeah, hold on to the rope. Look. I'm like this. Ready? Oh, you have to hold on to the... Come on. Put it on the light. You can this way, or you can do that way. I'm holding it. Yes. One hand there. Yeah.
Go on, keep going.
Good one.
You go first.
Okay, I go first. Yes. Now hold on to the rope. Good job, Luca. Well done, okay.
I don't want to do it.
No, you're doing great. You're doing great. You're doing
Please,
great.
I
Almost there.
don't want to.
Almost there. Daddy's here. Daddy's here with you. Daddy's here with you.
I want
I'm here, Luca.
to go on the
You
slide.
made it. You made it. Yeah, after that you go on that side. And down the slide. Okay, hold on. Okay. Almost there.
It's alright.
I'm here with you. That's it. Yeah, hold. Now hold the other side. Yes, good, good, good. Oh, now you see it? Yeah. Beautiful. Perfect. Okay. Here we go. First man down the slide. Now stop, go down the slide. Wait there, Luca.
Yeah!
Now Dad is coming.
Yeah, Dad,
Oh.
come.
Ready?
Dad, no, no, don't go yet. I'm gonna go together.
Oh man. Okay. 3, 2, 1, go.
Wait.
You're a top.
Yeah, I think this is 9. You're a mistake.
Don't bang this.
I think smaller stick work better. Don't you think?
Yeah.
What did you find, Luca? Go and play a song that you learn at school. Homegrown alligator, see you later. Yeah, like that?
Have they reached all the way up there?
No, no, that's where the sound comes out of. So up there the sound comes out of. So you hit exactly. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
To the highest one.
Okay.
I'm coming. Oh, let's go.
Wait.
I'm coming. Good one. Alright, that's it for me. I'm done.
Come, let's keep going. You're on the zip line again.
Let's try the zip line.
I'm not going to the big side.
Okay, go big side.
Okay.
Vista, baby. Hold on.
His shorts are stuck on the seat. Whew,
Whoa, that was good.
you're a proper muddy boy.